Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today, guys, we're going to be unboxing this puppy right here. I haven't gotten a smartwatch in a while. So I thought I would get me a smartwatch, and this one is the Google Pixel Watch 3, the 45 millimeter, the LTE version, the light version, which has a phone line on it or the internet line on it. And this also has with the AVEC Fitbit. So I think that Google did buy Fitbit, if I'm not mistaken. But it does have Fitbit on here, and the OS is made by Google Wear. Guys, this right here will cost you, if you get the regular one, it will cost you $3.99. If you get the one with the LTE, you're paying about $100 more. We will bring it up at what's the price? $453.99. So that's if you want to get the LTE version. Well, I didn't pay that, but you know, you get some special deals when you go through your phone company. So I did get a little deal with this. So we're gonna go ahead and give you the specs right now. Body is ready for each day with readiness. It uses sleep, resting heart rate, and heart rate variability to show if you're ready to take on a workout or prioritize recovery. Cardio load measure how hard your heart works, so you can see how hard you've been pushing yourself, compared trends to see if you're under or over training. So basically, this thing is meant for people not like me, that like to work out. You still get to do Google Pay and all those things. So do me a favor before we get into the Eagle Eye View. Please like, share, and subscribe. And say that again. Please like, share, and subscribe. The more thumbs up I get, the more the YouTube algorithm gods love that stuff, and they'll push it out further. So without further ado, let's get to the Eagle Eye View. Everybody, welcome to the Eagle Eye View. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out. Now, this is only going to be an unboxing because I'm going to have to use it and see how it really goes. So this is how the unboxing is. You take these two out. Okay. And you can see there's nothing else in here. You can see nothing else in there. So this most likely is the headpiece. We'll get to that. We'll get to this first. Get under here. So you can see you have the okay, that's the strap. Have the books and stuff. So we'll tell you how to put the strap on. So that's another strap. Okay, let's put this back, because this is for if you want a bigger strap. We're gonna put that back in here. On top of there. So we have a strap. Okay. So that's our one. Two. All right. Again, this will be the unboxing only. Now, since I got this from Verizon, they did have to go ahead and kind of open this part right here so they can hook it up. They didn't open nothing else. There we go. And we have the charger here. Okay. There we go. I don't know if I like this, guys, because see, it has the 4 points on here. That means I don't know if you can use any other type of charger. So you got the 4 points right there. You have it on there, and I guess it just goes like that. So I said, now this is kind of heavy, guys. This is heavy. So this is USB-C. Put that over here. So here we got this. So what we're going to do here, so we're going to let you see how that looks right here. And then you have this on the side. All your sensors and arrays on the side here. All right, so guys, I am closer. All right, so what we're gonna do, you see this right here? You have to kind of slide it from there. Like that. Now don't ask me how I did that, but that's how it goes. All right, let's do that one more time. So this little pusher in right here, this part right here, you want to put it in like that. And there you go. That's how it snaps on. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on real quick. Like I said, this is only going to be a review. There we go. Let's turn it on. Now it's already hooked up to my Google Pixel 8. So this is how it looks. Let me go ahead and shine it up real quick. Get my fingerprints out of there. There you go. It's coming alive. All right, there we go. Like I said, they had to hook it up. All right, so starting. Takes a couple of seconds, guys. There you go. So this is the watch face I have. As you can move it. So it's just like an Android phone when you use it. Home, swipe it, count your steps, other way, loading weather, search. So you have a lot of things. I have to learn how to use this. You could tap and add new assistant actions. Your day is clear. Your Fitbit today. So I'm gonna have to get all that kind of working because I don't know how to use this. Now I do have other watches. We're going to look at how the other watches, how the other watches look compared to this. I do got a couple of other watches. So why don't we go ahead and let me show you how the other watches I have compared to this one, just in looks. All right, everybody, here goes some of my collection. I do have a couple of more, but I think it's just been too much. So right here you have the LG. This is the LG smartwatch. You have the Samsung Active 2, and you have the Samsung Watch 4. Now, these two are the T-Mobile variant with the cell. And this actually is the Motorola. Now, I do like the Motorola now. The screen is not as good as the newer models, but this is the second version of the Motor Watch that came out. So this is how it looks compared to. Now I'm not gonna say this is what's on the market now because I don't have the latest Samsung, but you can see how big the watch face is compared to this. It's a little bit more. This is a 45 millimeter, and this right here I think is a 41 millimeter. So you can see how big that is compared to everything else. So if you just want to see a comparison, the only one that's going to be bigger than this is going to be this one. This one's going to be a little heavier because it's chain. But as you can see, this watch face is a little bit bigger. All right, guys. So that's how it looks. What we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and give it a little weigh to see how it weighs. We'll charge it up, see how it looks when it charged up, and that's it. All we're going to do is this is just going to be an unboxing. All right. As you can see, it's already in grams. So we're going to go ahead and put this on. As you can see, it's 65 grams, which is not a lot. So let's go ahead and try with the Molo. You're looking at 129 grams. So as you can see, this weighs a lot less because of the fact that this is using, I want to say rubber, but some type of rubbery, band. And this one is all metal band. So you can see how that does. Then you can also see how the Samsung, 55. So this is a little bit heavier. This is kind of heavy, guys. So there you go. That's how much it weighs. Let's get the charger up. As you can see, turn this on. We're going to just use this right here. It's at 100%. We're going to put it in the USB. We'll go ahead and put this on, and it is on. That's how it looks when it's charging up. Now that's how it looks when it's charging up when it's on. So let's go ahead and turn it off and see how, but let's do that one more time so you can see. Come on. That's how it looks when it's charged. I do like the animation. Let's go ahead and turn it off. It's a whole bunch of stuff, man. So I'm trying to figure out how to turn it off. Now, for some reason, you have to go into systems to turn it off. And I don't know why you have to do that. So you have to go, oh, that's the wrong way. So I got to learn how to hit that, the cog right there, hit systems, and then it says power off. So hit power off. We're going to let it shut down. And it shut down. So let's see how it looks when it's charging. Now, this is funny. So basically, because I start charging it up, it literally turned the watch back on, which I don't know why it does that. So just let you know, when you charge the watch off, when it's off, it ends up turning the phone back on. Like if you take it off and put it back on. So basically, that's how it charges up, folks. All right, guys. So what we're going to do, let's get to the regular view, give you my thoughts. Like I said, this is just a unboxing and get you out of here. Yo, I'm back. Not to give you my final thought, this was only an unboxing, but just give you a few things, what I see so far. I do like this, guys. A little heavy, but I have me some other watches that are probably heavier than this, mechanical watches that are heavier than this. So I do like the fact that it comes in the 45mm. I do like the screen. The screen is actually very nice, guys. So I do like the screen so far. But again, this is my only current smartwatch. I've never had an Apple Watch, so I don't know how this compared to an Apple Watch. So you could, if somebody has a couple of them, maybe have this kind, have a Samsung and an Apple Watch, let me know how you like the Apple Watch compared to other watches. I would like to know that because I've never had an Apple Watch. I do like it so far, guys. You could change the you can change the faces on here if you want to. So I like the way it does integrate with my Pixel 8 Pro. I am going to probably do I'm going to do a review once I use it for a week or two so I can see how it compares to my Samsung, to the smartwatches I do use. Again, this is my only current smartwatch as far as in the current lineup. So I do like that so far. One thing I don't like is the proprietary charger. I wish they would have just used maybe just a universal, I guess it's Qi charge or something like that, where you didn't have to have the little 4 pins on the back. So that means now if I lose this, I literally have to buy one of these instead of being able to buy just kind of a universal. That means if I take this and put it on a charging pad, it's not going to charge up. You have to have those four pings. Now I could be wrong. Haven't tested it out yet, so I am going to do that test while I am using it. So guys, so far I do like it. Again, it's a little steep, but phone companies do offer you some good offers, so you can probably get one if you're in the market for one. This is how it looks, guys. Before we go, do me a favor, please like, share, and subscribe. Again, please like, share, and subscribe. I want to thank my new subscribers for still rocking with the channel. We're growing, so I want to thank you all for the tremendous growth. Yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, thanking you for rocking out with me on another unboxing video, guys. We got some more unboxing videos coming soon, so please hit the notification icon wherever it is on your screen, so you'll be notified anytime we drop a new video. You have a good day, guys. Thank you very much. Peace.